What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. It's New Money Maker Mondays, and this site is Irazoo. The promo code will be in the description. It'll get you an extra 500 points when you sign up. So I just want to show you real quick just how to make money on this site. I just signed up for it, so I'm going to show you things that they offer, things I'm going to get involved with, because a lot of the things on this site I already use my routine on another site. So I'm just going to basically implement my routine that I have on another site into this one. So right here, I'm on the answer surveys tab, and you see here they have all these different surveys. They have the P2 sample, the innovate, and they're very quick survey. You see here, this is a 5-minute survey completed under 15 minutes, unlimited times. All right, so you see how many points you get for it. You get 84 for doing that. Very quick survey, so I recommend doing that. The 15-minute survey, unlimited times. You know what I'm saying? You want to pay attention to the unlimited. You can really go as many as you want. A lot of people say, they're on sites and they do like, 2 or 3 sites, and 2 or 3 surveys, and after that they can't do anymore. So when you see a site that offers you unlimited, you can really go crazy with them. And you just kind of scroll down and you see all the other different survey opportunities they have. Another with 10 minutes, you get 1,368 points for that. 15-minute survey, 605 points. So those are the surveys that they have. Like I said, unlimited is very good, so you can do as many as you want to. I'll go over here to watch videos and show you I can make money just watching videos. The Hideout TV, this is a really good one. You just let the videos play under the background on a separate tab. That's what I always tell you guys. You can pick any one of these and you just let them play. I think for every 3 points, every 3 videos you'll get credited, and this site is 2 points. You can actually do the Hyper MX videos, 22 points for each one of those. It basically be a video that's like 30 seconds to a minute long, and depending on how many they have in the inventory, those are usually unlimited as well. So just kind of keep that in mind. You can make money watching videos. Going over here to complete offers, show you some things you can do on this tab. You just basically have to find stuff like right here. Who will be victorious? Enter a valid email address to complete the survey. 336 points. You basically just have to pay attention to what they're telling you in the description for it. See right here, this is one that's really good to do when it just says sign up with valid information. Those are the ones I like, because once you sign up for it, get your points. You can unsubscribe from it. You don't really need it, whatever it is. But the ones where you just sign up or, submit an email or, things like that are really easy, you got to do those first, because a lot of people jump on those, and it's just an easy way to make money. If I go to view more, obviously it'll show me some more. Another one, sign up with valid information, receive a $250 Adidas gift card, and again 384 points. So all you're doing is signing up. You don't have to pay for anything. It's just, you see they have a few different ones, and that's all you got to do. It's easy money with it. You got a quiz right here. Complete this quiz with 100% score. I've done a few of these. Basically what happens is, like, you'll do a quiz, you might get one wrong, but they'll tell you the right answer. So what you do is, once you get all the right answers, take that quiz again with all the right answers. Easy money, and you'll get your 48 points. You know what I'm saying? So the offers on this site are really good. Like I said, a lot of them are just sign up with valid information. All you got to do is basically just ask them for your name and your email address, and maybe an address, but you don't have to give them your real information. You can give them a fake email, a fake name. Well, not a fake email. Don't give them a fake email, because you probably have to confirm email. So you don't want to give them your real email if you don't want to. You can just have like an email you don't really care about, give them that one. And as far as your name and your address, you don't have to give them your real name and your address, but just make sure that if you do have anything that's real, give them a real valid email. That way they can send you the stuff and you can confirm, that you signed up, and you'll get the points that way. So just pay attention to that. So real quick, easy site to use. I'm going to go to the reward store real quick just to show you what you can get on this site. They have a few different gift cards. You can see right here off top. The popular rewards is Amazon. I think on Amazon you can get $5. Yeah, $5 minimum. You got to get 3,000 points to get that for the Amazon. You know what I'm saying? You see here 10, 20, 50, and the amount of points that you have to get in order to redeem those. And I'm gonna show you the other ones that they have for PayPal, because a lot of people like to use PayPal. PayPal, I think the minimum on here is $20 for that. So right here, yeah, PayPal, you gotta get 12,000 points to start out for 20 points, and then you can do 50 for 30,000. And again, they have other gift cards that you can choose from. You know, just scrolling down, just kind of showing you. But usually a lot of these gift cards, they're $5 minimum, like Walmart, you know, Target, iTunes, you know, things like that. These are the popular ones that people are getting. And then you can go to All Rewards and they'll show you everything they have available. As far as that, they'll put it in alphabetical order. So there's something on here that you will like, I guarantee, because they have so many different opportunities, so many different stores, restaurants, all that kind of good stuff. And of course, they have the Amazon and PayPal. So just find out what it is that you want. Usually on the minimum on here is like $5. Like for instance, this Domino's, that's $5. You know, so all you basically have to do is get 3,000 points in this site. That's a $5 cash out on any different gift card that you want. If you want to do PayPal, you have to get $20. A little bit, you know, more, but not difficult when you just go through the surveys and the offers. And I showed you how easy those offers are. You just basically sign up with valid information, 384 points a piece. You just let those add up. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, you watch your videos, you know, you do those surveys. It's a lot of money into it if you really have the opportunity and the chance to actually, you know, work the site thoroughly. So I really do encourage you guys to sign up for this site. Again, like I said, use my promo code that is in the description. You will get 500 points when you sign up. That way you're, you know, closer to your cash out. And just go through the routine I showed you. It's a lot of money into it if you just, you know, put in the work. So sign up today. You know, do that routine and, you know, get paid with any gift card you want, PayPal, Amazon, you know, Walmart, Domino's, whatever it is that you like, and start making money with it. Of course, if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe because I'm always showing you guys how to make money completely free online using different websites and different apps. And I'm always bringing you guys new sites every single Monday. Like this Monday, I'm doing it. And, you know, just showing you how to put money in your pocket, you know, so you can do things that you want to do, pay bills, save, go on vacation, whatever it is you want. These sites and apps will definitely help you. All right. So sign up today with the promo code in the description so you get your 500 points. And always remember, every penny counts.